very special bird here. This is my father's favorite.
Yes, this is going to be an unbelievable baby. It's a dark, dark grizzle bird. It's a 2018 cock, but believe me, this is going to make history in Pakistan. It's a 2018 bird, but this is one of the pigeons that you will never
776 from 2018.
This is going to make everyone happy. What a beautiful, beautiful cock is this. Look at the eye of that bird. White eye, fantastic. And special in this pigeon, special from this bird is the golden grizzle bloodline from my father-in-law, from Thomas Peters. The silky feathers. The bird has really silky feathers, and this really helps in the races. Look at the dark color inside. What a great pigeon. For sure a champion this one. I love that bird. I'm going to come to Pakistan to see this pigeon.